Welcome to Scopito Tutorials. This video explains the payment structure on a Pay-As-You-Go Scopito account. Let's get started. The Scopito Pay-As-You-Go system allows our clients to manage inspections on an ongoing, as-needed basis. The costs are based on the type of inspection at a per-asset price structure. For example, a power line asset would be the tower or pole. For roof inspections, each roof would count as an asset. And finally, the license for the asset is for 1 year and will renew annually and can be stopped at any time. It's important to mention here that we will need to have already set up our Pay-As-You-Go account, as well as creating a credit card payment method on our account. To set up an inspection, you will click on the Create New button to the right of your screen, and this is where you would select the asset type. Once the inspection is set up, then you would upload your imagery data, at which point you will specify if it's an existing asset or if it's a new asset. This is important because if it's an existing asset, you can add new imagery, but will have already paid for this asset inspection. Whereas, if it's a new asset, you will click the Upload for New Assets and of course Pay-As-You-Go for the next asset inspection. You will then click to specify the number of assets, and in this case it's a single roof inspection, so we will just leave it as 1. Click Upload, and this will initiate the inspection. In this screen, we see here that we will have the 1-year access license included with unlimited images per asset. And here you will see the per asset price. Here we have the option to list a purchase order, but Scopito does not require a purchase order number since this is a pay-as-you-go transaction. Then you can enter the number of assets and the cost will automatically calculate. We will continue with the example and list 1 asset. We then press Checkout, and then we will see a summary screen that shows the cost of the inspection. Click the checkbox to confirm the credit card and press the Confirm button at the bottom of the panel to complete the transaction. Thank you for viewing this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.